Good morning. Day two. We are at SAP Insider. With me, we have a Kevin Poskitt from Product Management. So we recently launched Predictive Analytics App Edition. So many customers are excited about it. So can you tell us a little bit more about App Edition?
Yeah, absolutely, Chandran. So Application Edition is a product that we released in February. It's a solution based on our predictive technologies, and it really is designed to solve one of the largest challenges that our customers have had around predictive analytics and that customers in general have, which is how do I actually get the results in the hands of the people who need to make the decisions? So the analogy I like to use is if you're watching Netflix or Hulu or a streaming service, and it'll come up with a recommended movie, right? And you'll click that, and hopefully it's a good recommendation. But if you had to go to a different website, and go to that website and say, what movie do I want to watch next? You're very unlikely to do that. Predictive is very similar. So you create these models which have these insights, but if you're not actually putting them in front of the users who need to make the decision, they're very unlikely to get used. So Application Edition is designed to not only help you rapidly build these models, but deploy them directly into key SAP applications, for example, like S4.
Great. So you mentioned about S4, so it's in a very strategic direction for SAP. What are the things available today with respect to S4 and App Edition?
Yeah, absolutely. So what we're doing is inside of S4 itself, we're embedding some of these algorithms that come for customers at no additional charge. So the two ones right out of the box today are something called stock in transit, which is if you're moving materials from one warehouse to another, it will actually tell you based on historical data, when is that material likely to arrive. Why that's important is if you thought it was going to take 30 days, but historically it took 45, you might actually end up with bottlenecks in your production line. So this will actually identify those issues ahead of time. The second one that we're offering is around procurement, which helps you understand when contracts are likely to expire, so you get advance notice to renegotiate them instead of having to do that under the gun. But what application does is it allows you to unlock any of the data in S4 and build customized models, then deploy them back into your ERP system and put that result in the business transaction screen where the end users are working so they can make the right decisions at the right time.
Fantastic. So we heard a lot about you are working with the customers, partners. Can you tell us a little bit more about it?
Yeah, absolutely. Given that we released in February, we're working with a number of customers on potential scenarios, but we're also working very closely with partners like Accenture on developing new use cases and bringing that functionality into the intelligent ERP. We'd also love to work with any number of new partners that would be interested in developing these additional models. The key here is whatever you develop, you can actually push directly back into your ERP system, and that's really the powerful message with intelligent ERP and the S4 story.
That is fantastic, Kevin. So as you heard about Kevin, it's a really good, you really want to take a look at an App Edition. There are many information available. Thank you.
Thank you.